Vegas, Vegas, Vegas. Ah!
Hi, good morning and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're back here in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Excalibur Hotel and Casino. Are you ready for today's adventure? Before we head out, actually, do me a favor and click that subscribe button down below. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like it so that it can show these videos to many more people out there in the world. Themed as the royal place to eat, stay, and play, the Excalibur, built in 1990, follows a historical and somewhat fantasy tale of King Arthur and his sword in the stone. Hey, did you know that near northern England, in a little town called Penrith, you'll find the real King Arthur's round table? It wasn't an actual round wooden table as you can probably picture in your mind. It's actually a prehistoric circular earthwork that has a lot of history and mystery behind it, sort of like Stonehenge. Anyway, I digress. The Excalibur, decorated with turrets, knights in shining armor, with just over 4,000 rooms, a dank, musky smell of cigarettes and artificial air freshener is what you'll mostly find. I can picture myself visiting the buffet at Excalibur and reliving the real-life tales of Uncle Eddie in National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation, and asking the server for the yella and don't get cheap on me. But form your own opinions. Let me know in the comments. Is Excalibur done and has seen the prime of its heyday in the 90s, or is it salvageable? Currently one of the best deals on the Las Vegas Strip, it's no doubt super cheap to stay here, but you get what you pay for. So with that said, on to our room tour. Enjoy!